Hi guys, it's Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of new videos I do, which are probably two, three, sometimes a week, 2 or 3 a week. I'll be notified straight away. So all we do on this channel is basically look at opportunities to make money online, money making systems and strategies. So let's get right into this video. And today this is a huge opportunity basically to make money. And we'll be doing some just designing a logo, and we'll be doing making the logo animated so people can use it as a YouTube intro. You will find that a lot of the channels on YouTube, they do not have an intro to their channel on their videos, and this means it's a great opportunity for anyone who wants to do this for them to make some money. So where we are on Fiverr, I've just typed in YouTube intro, and these people are doing YouTube intros and outros, and basically the prices, average prices, is probably about $30 they charge. I mean, these videos are only probably about probably between 5 and 10 seconds long. That's all they are. It's just an intro, a quick intro, but they're getting some good money for this. You can see people who have a new account on Fiverr. They charge a low price, £7.37, probably about $12. That was $12. But people like this who are charging a little bit more, about $20, you can see they've had over 1,000 orders. And this one, $20, 1,000 orders. And this one here, which is probably about $40, they've had over 1,000. So you can see, basically, probably the average price on here would probably be about $30. So there's your price range, really. You can charge obviously whatever you want, and everything you'll be a lot wiser once we complete first of all the logo. So to do this, I do it on placeit.net. Placeit.net is an excellent website, and they do subscriptions from $14.95 to $15 monthly, or you can do an annual option for $99. But when you think you can do one order for somebody and make $30, you've made 2 months subscription just in that one job. So it's not expensive, place it. But anyway, let's have a look at how we can do this. So I'm just going to look at logos here and then go on the logo maker. And let's put something in here. I'll put Bulldog security. Let's say we're looking at the security niche. So we would be contacting all the websites on YouTube, or we can just open for business on Fiverr and other places. But just for now, just for this, we'll look at the security niche. Maybe home security. So we'll do Bulldog security, then we'll click next. So they think we're in security because there's all different types of topics here, as you can see. All different niches for us to explore, but we'll go with security now and say let's go. Just for this video, and it will show you samples of logos connected to security. And if we like these, we can pick one of these and work with it. So some of those are okay, but not quite what I'm looking for. I was looking for something like that, really, with maybe a bulldog on it. So let's flick this down and go to YouTubers. See if we can see something different. So this one is a good one. That's the type of stuff I'm looking for. So let's click on this, see if we can go with this one. Wait till it loads. Right, okay, so we've got Bulldog security. So let's change that text. Something a little bit maybe normal looking. Yeah, that's a lot better. Let's change the colour. Let's make it maybe a yellow. So there we go, that will do. So let's do the bottom part now. We need Bulldog security. Home security systems. I might change that text maybe to element. That's better. Let's have a colour. Maybe red. That's okay. We need to change this image obviously inside. So we've got Bulldog. Let's type in dog. Type that in there. And look at what we can see here. What about this dog, the Bulldog with a hat? That looks quite good, doesn't it? Maybe change his hat to maybe this red. Let's give him a red hat. There you go, Bulldog security, home security system. So there you go, there's our quick logo. And we're just going to save that now. Save it and download it. And then we can move on to the next step, which is completing the animation. And the beauty of this is that the people who are basically on Fiverr, they're charging you for an intro for these prices. But what you can offer also is to do a logo design and do the animation as well. So you're going to make more money on top. But if the company has their own logo, you can obviously use that. But anyway, let's move on and move on to animated logos. Animated logos, and let's put YouTube in here. And YouTube, YouTube intro, 851 YouTube intros they have. So we just need to choose one of these, just hover over, and it basically tells you what the animation does on some of these. So they are quite spectacular. Different ones. So what's that one? Ink. A glitching one. What's this one? Smoke, I think. Smoke. Is that going to show us? Let's try this smoke one. This smoke design. Let's wait for that to load. It shows you the animation. Right, that looks okay to me. So the text you could put here will be the company website. Let's just make one up. Bulldog. Let's say Bulldog Security 123. Let's have a look at that. It looks okay. Let's maybe change this. Go back to that Anton. I think we had Anton before. Yeah, that's okay. And that was in black. That looks all right. So we just need to upload our image now. Let's just click on the downloads and see if we can find. this graphic. Maybe there. So there we go, there's our graphic. We just need to resize that. Just make sure it's in this boundary and then click on crop. So you can see there it's just cropping. So there it is. Just need to change this actually to a clear blue, I think. To match, and the music, we want something, we don't want any folk, we want something, let's have a look. House electro, that might work. Dance pop, that might work. Let's go with this Lily House. You can play this as well, but we'll just go for it anyway, just in this. So let's select that one. And that's basically, that is it. All we need to do now is basically download it, and we click on play, see if we can. Right, video is being prepared. So this looks like just a few minutes while it renders, and then we can basically have a look at it once it's completed. This will just take a few minutes. So while that's just working, if we can just go back to Fiverr and look at the prices. You could also, if you didn't want to sell from Fiverr, you could use Upwork. That is another option. What else have we got? People per hour. So this is basically a YouTube intro here. There's not many actually doing it on this website. So you could look at that on Upwork.com. And the other one is People per hour, where they're charging. There's not many people doing it on here either. Oh, there's our logo. What's that? There we go. Let's see if we can make that bigger. Let's press play. So there you go. That is it. That is your intro. And not bad. We can view it again if you want to. Just have a look. This is just an example. Well, it works. And would you think a company would pay probably $30 for that? I think they probably would, wouldn't they? And they could put that intro on every video that they do. So that's basically it. Great money-making potential for doing this, and you have an option whether you want to sell from these freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork and People per hour. There are other ones, smaller ones. But another option is if you just want to choose a niche. Let's say you wanted people who have, let's say, cooking channels. They're very popular. I've noticed there's not many people have intros on their cooking channel. So let's just say you played about on this on placeit.net. And if you go out to placeit.net and let's say you get a free website on WordPress, for example, and you just show me there, it only takes 2 or 3 minutes to do an intro. You could do that. You could make 10 of those in like any niche. So let's say the home cooking niche, you could do 10 of those, put those 10 intros on a web page, contact the seller. So you go to their YouTube channel, have a look in the description, get their email address. Don't contact them through the comment section on a video, never do that. They would normally have a website or they would have a point of contact on YouTube. Send them an email, say, I've just been to your YouTube channel, great content on your cooking channel, really enjoyed it. But I thought you might be interested in having like an animated intro. And if you're interested in that, just go to this webpage. This is your free WordPress web where you will see 10 options, 10 different designs of logo and 10 different designs of intro. And they could pick any one of those and say, yeah, I'm interested in that. There's your $30 or whatever you want to charge. And you go and make it in a couple of minutes. And that is that done. You don't need to have accounts on Fiverr, YouTube. You can just go direct to the actual YouTube channel and contact the channel owner and say, hey, I do this service in your niche. And you can do that for any niche. You can put just 10 options up. In the cooking channel, you can do DIY, you can do anything and absolutely anything, just to do a quick intro. Because a lot of people don't know how to do it, they don't know how easy it is to do. I've just showed you how easy it is to do. Very, very simple. And you can charge people $30 just for making lovely, quick animations like that. Simple. So there you go. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed a bit of fun today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll hear about any new money making videos that I do, 2 to 3 a week normally. And let me know, please comment, please put your comments in, or if you've got any questions about this, how you can make money doing this, you're not sure about anything, just let me know. But I've just done all this on placeit.net, which is a very handy site, not expensive, you don't need many clients, and all of a sudden you'd pay for an annual subscription, and all the rest on top of that is all pure profit for you. That's it. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks again for your time. In the meantime, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, which is basically what I do most of my time, and you're interested in high ticket affiliate marketing, which is what I do, where I earn $1,000 commissions. If you're interested in earning $1,000 commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket offers, then in the description below you'll see a free course that I've done on high ticket affiliate marketing, and you're very welcome to sign up for that. It's 100% free, about 90 minutes long, in 4 sections, 4 videos. And you're very welcome to come and join me on that. That's high ticket affiliate marketing and earning $1,000 commissions. If that sounds like you, then you're very welcome to join me. So that's it for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.